Can you see my whole face?
Yes.
You see the whole apron?
Yes.
Okay. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another quick video, you guys. So today, you guys, I was checking out B-Love. And B-Love did this unusual burger. Okay, it was a very unusual burger. And she said, I usually add egg. Well, your girl went to thinking, could I do that recipe? Well, you guys, if you're ready for this peanut butter and jelly, I guess it was jelly, I don't know. But anywho, if you're ready for this peanut butter, double bacon, double stuffed bacon burger, just a whole lot of stuff, okay? Just a whole lot of stuff. But we're going to make us a burger with peanut butter on it. Peanut butter and jelly on it. Yeah, I guess I'm right. But anywho, pull in a chair and come on in here, okay? But anywho, how's everybody doing today? Good. You guys, let's get busy. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm this skillet up, right? We got us some steak fries over here, well seasoned. And they're going to go in the oven. But we're going to go ahead, get my water off the stove. Because I always keep a pot of water on the stove, you guys. So, yeah. We're going to add two things in here. In our burgers, right? Now, we did already pre-prep some of the things I'm going to stuff this burger with. But, you know, my kids, they don't too much care for it, okay? So, we got 80% lean, okay? And 20% fat. I think this is ground beef. Well, you know, whatever it is. Chuck, okay? So, we got the chuck patties. But what we're going to do is, I'm just not going to rearrange their burgers. I'm just going to go ahead, put a little burger seasoning on here for the kids. Well, not really kids, but you know Carter. He's not going to eat it. He's not going to eat it. So we're just going to go and slap him some seasoning onto his burger. Yeah. And we're going to get that started. Okay? And his mom, because she don't like double burgers neither. Okay, so we're going to go and get their burger started. But meantime, we're going to get mine started. Because I love my double burger. So we're just going to put us some seasoning right over here. Soak that on up in that patty. Yeah, just like so. Get that seasoning on both sides. Just like so. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little closer because we have our stuff that we're going to stuff the burgers with right here. Okay, let's put that right here because we're going to slide these fries on in the oven. Now, we got our burgers, right? And so the first thing I'm going to stuff it with is we got some, what is this? Mozzarella. We got some mozzarella cheese going on right here. And I'm using the cheese slices because I just feel like that will be much better to stuff the burger with. I'm just going to smash it just like so. Put us some jalapeno peppers on here. Plenty of jalapeno peppers. Okay? Gonna put us some bacon. bacon right in there, just like so. Because this is the way we want our double cheeseburger, right? Put up some more cheese. And I'm going to chop me up some onions right in here. Just a few, not many. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my burger and I'm going to add it on top, just like so. You guys, can you see it? And we're just going to stuff it just like that. Since you're going around. So just like that. And we're going to sit it over in this pan. So we got our burger in there. So we're going to let that burger go on and do its thing. Because we got our stuffing in there. So yeah, if you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, tell a friend what I am doing on this channel. You guys, I enjoy checking out different recipes. That's my niche. And when I saw that, I said I had to recreate me a stuffed burger, you guys, because your girl wanted to see exactly how do it taste. Now that is a monster of a burger. Definitely a monster of a burger. So we're going to let this go on and do its thing, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're going to turn these burgers over. I had to pull out my big boy for this one. Because girl got to make sure she don't break this burger up. And we're just going to let it cook. So meantime, guys, we're going to go ahead and going to pull this big boy out. Wait 1 minute. And we're going to go and flip him over in this pan right here. And we're going to slide it over in the oven to let it finish cooking. Because I like mine well done. So meantime, guys, we're going to go ahead and going to pull this big boy out. Wait 1 minute. And we're going to go and flip him over in this pan right here. And we're going to slide it over in the oven to let it finish cooking. because I like mine well done. Okay, so my next move is I am going to put me some butter in the pan because just like B-Love, I gotta have a little butter. Okay? I gotta have a little butter for some toast buns. So the buns we are using today is Hawaiian buns, you guys. Hawaiian buns. So I'm just going to get one bun out and toast it real quick. And we're going to use Jif peanut butter and jelly. Okay, so we got our bread toasted. So the next step is I gotta get me a clean spoon. Me some peanut butter out. And I'm just gonna slather it. Just like so. On the top bun and the bottom. And we're going to put us a smidge of, I'm going to say mustard. Jelly. And we're going to make sure this is on. Okay, so now we're going to make our egg. We're going to make our egg. You guys, I'm using just a tab of olive oil. Not much. Just enough to wet the surface. Just like so. Because we're going to add this egg to our sandwich. We're just going to add us a little black pepper onto this egg. Guys, so meantime we have pulled out our burger and we put us some additional cheese on it. American and mozzarella is going back in the oven. You guys. Oh, you know what? Let me put my bacon on it that I had left. Want not, waste not. So we're going to add that bacon on here. Just like so. To warm that bacon back up. We're going to flip this egg. Just like that. So guys, we have pulled our burger out the oven. And so yeah. We're going to go ahead. And we're going to slap it right on this mama right here. Look at there. Oh my goodness. Let's get our cheese that we wasted. We're just going to put it right there. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right there. Now, for our toppings, which I could leave it like it is, but we're just going to go and put our extra little peppers on it. Couple of onions. The pickles. Yes, look at there. And we're going to put us a tomato. Because we need our veggies, right? Okay, so you guys, there you have it. The peanut butter and jelly. Double bacon, double cheeseburger burger. Now this was an inspiration from BLOVESLIFE. You guys check that out. Check that burger out. Look at the jelly right there at the bottom. Peanut butter at the top. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Now that's a monster of a burger, okay? That's a monster of a burger. You guys, let's put up some fries right here. Not many, just enough to decorate. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And if you like that burger and you want to see me chow down, thumbs this video straight up and share it with everyone. That is a monster of a burger. You guys check out that peanut butter and that jelly. I don't know how it's going to taste, but you will see on the next video. Matter of fact, I don't know, I might. Well, I can't do it because it's BLOVE thing. And I was going to say we should have made it a challenge. But anywho, you guys check that out. What a burger. Now that is definitely a burger. You guys, if you haven't checked out BLOVE's burger, please go over and do so. And yeah, if in case she hadn't seen it, let her know that she has someone who was motivated by her burger. And yes, this will make a wonderful, I guess, one meal for the day. I don't know. That's a lot of calories, but your girl loving it. Okay? So until then, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.